Right there in front of you. See him walking?
Yeah, I see it. Where?
Out there. And
I can't even see him.
he's on the field. Oh, he's got one out there.
There it is. Did he point?
Yeah, he pointed.
Oh, that one's fucking going. There he goes. He's after it.
Is that still? He might chase it back to us. He's chasing that fucker back here. He might just grab the damn thing. Get him. Oh, get him. Come on, get him. Get that birdie.
You saw him point? Because I did.
Yeah, I saw him jumping around out there. I got it all on film too, so. That bird don't feel like it wants to fly. I'll shoot a grounded bird though.
Yeah. Jack! Here! Here!
He's just circling them.
I see it.
He's keeping them there for us.
He's on it.
He tired the fuck out of that bird. I'm waiting for him to grab him.
Jack! Here! Here! We'll keep him on him and then I'll get him off of it.
Yeah. Because that bird definitely don't look like he's gonna fly at all.
Get him, Jack! Fetch! 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 Alright, so if you shoot him on the ground, try to shoot him in the head.
Yeah.
Come here. Jack, whoa! 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 Jack! Here! Get him! Get him! Get him! Here! Jack, here! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! 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 Jack, here! Here!
I'm in range. I just don't want to shoot.
Here! Jack! Jack! Come here!
Jack! Jack! Come here, Jack!
Come here! Jack! Here! Here! Here!
He's not listening at all, is he?
Here!
Jack!
Here! Whoa!
Go! Over there, over there.
Over here! Come here!
Damn.
Jack! Come here!
Jack!
Jack! Come here!
Jack! Jack!
Come here! Come here! Jack!
If I can get between them.
I'm gonna beat your fucking ass again.
If I can just get between them.
You whoa!
What the fuck?
Stop! Whoa! Hit him in the head. There you go.
How the fuck I missed the first time?
I don't know.
I think I was more or less trying to look at Jack.
Hit whoa!
What the fuck?
Stop! Whoa! There you go.
How the fuck I missed the first time?
Good boy. Whoa. Come on. Where is it? Find that bird. Smelling one here.
I'm gonna try getting this for film for you.
Get him. Nice. Now that's the point. He was all over that. He smelled that. He couldn't see it.
Look at that.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Tied with it. Yeah.
Come around. Oh, 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 oh.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm gonna go this way. That way we actually get a decent little. Where it is. You see it? Oh yeah, right there in front of us. See him? He's gonna take off the. Yep, yep. Right there. Right in front. He's between me and you right now.
Round, come around. Right there.
Oh, there. I'm gonna walk this.
Good boy. Good ball. Whoa. Whoa. Good boy. Whoa. We gotta let it get out a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna say you want to. Oh, do you see him over there? That's a different one.
Where is it?
Straight out in front. Right in front of us. Right there. See him?
Oh, yeah. Get him, boy. There you go.
There's one. That's a different one.
Think so?
Yeah.